So guys, I just did one unboxing. I'm back again, another day with another unboxing. So let me get to the next one. Let me see what this is. No, we're not going to open that one at the moment. These are the Air Jordan 4 What the 4. And you have already seen a bunch of videos of these. I have nothing new to say except my personal opinion. And my personal opinion is that I was hyped when we were going to have a What the 4. I like Air Jordan 4. There have been a bunch of cool releases of the Air Jordan 4. And to do a What the 4 could be really nice. But then I saw the pictures and I just thought the shoes were super boring. Nothing special at all. The shoes are a mix of the first Air Jordan 4. Yeah, the first 4 fours. No, let me get that right. The first 4. Yeah. As usual, I'm tired and hungry. So I thought the shoe looked a bit boring because the first 4, oh, they are soft, man. Wow. Okay, now I get the point. The first 4, we have the black infrared, the white cement, Motorsport. No, I don't think they're called Motorsport. The blue and white ones, maybe the Raging Bull, I don't know. But the shoes are mostly white. And I would love to see a crazy mix-up, like half the shoe black and more blue and etc. etc. But then I thought the other way. Then I thought that this is going to be a nice beater shoe, a nice daily shoe that are special, but that doesn't stand out too much. I think the form is kind of weird. The shape is kind of off. I usually think that the Air Jordan 4 is more straight in the heel. This goes like this a bit. And they look kind of lower. Let me take a clean shoe. Yeah, these are not used. All right. Yeah, this shoe is a bit softer in the shape, and that's okay. But what made me really decide to get the shoes, or actually what made me really looking forward to the shoes, really waiting for the shoes, is that I saw all the videos saying that the shoes had like the best quality ever on an Air Jordan 4, and I thought that, hey, they are maybe not as good as the Dunk from Above, but as long as they are as good as the white cement, I'm happy. The black infrared I hate. They are so hard, so I can't even use them. But these are super soft, like what people say butter soft. These are really nice. So if you didn't get them, you should. I can say, I think, that these are the softest Air Jordan 4s ever. But as like the bloodline like that you probably just saw, I feel that this leather is softer than your standard Air Jordan 4, but also thicker. So if we take the Dunk from Above, these are great. These are really great. These are super soft, but I feel that the leather is just slightly thinner, which make the shoes feels lighter and softer. But when you have thicker leather, it feels more premium. and here the toe is harder, and here the whole shoe is soft. So yeah, these are better than Dunk from Above. I didn't think I was going to see Air Jordan 4 that had better leather, softer than the Dunk from Above. So I'm really happy. Plus the shoe looks cool enough. As you can see, we have the sole from black cement. Black infrared, white cement speckles, the blue, and the red here. So yeah, it's a cool shoe. It is. I'm still hoping that they will do a really crazy Water 4 with mixes from I don't know, Travis Scott blue suede, the yellow ones. Yeah, a really crazy one. I feel that these reinforcement things are softer than before. These usually kind of hard plastic. These are rubber. And yeah, these as well, that holds the laces. Those are also rubber instead of hard plastic. This is a soft shoe. I'm really looking forward to put them on foot. So that's what we're gonna do next, because you have seen everything. And one thing, we only have black and white laces. That's okay. It would be nice with like red laces. Yeah, red laces. I think I'm gonna put red laces on them. But black and white is nice, and if you want to keep them discreet, like I think that the white cement are, keep the white laces. And what people didn't know, that we have on the lace tip, numbers 4362 and 4363, etc. Those are the color codes of the first 4. So that's why we have those numbers. People didn't have a clue why we have the numbers on the tips, but that's that. So 4363 is, I don't know, maybe the black infrared, I don't know. Nice shoe, super soft shoe on foot. And these I'm really looking forward to. I think these are gonna be just a wonderful pair of beaters. I think they're gonna be super soft, which I really hope, because once again, the black infrared are so terrible that I can't even use them. And I felt around with the shoes a bit more, and yeah, these things on the side are absolutely much softer than on your standard Air Jordan 4. And I even think that the heel tab, which bothers me when I drive, because this cuts in my ankle, I think even those are a bit softer and maybe even shorter. So the sizing so far is good. The shoes are wide, a bit wider than this year's Air Jordan 4. The Air Jordan 4 from this year, 2019, have been very narrow, I think, very long and very narrow. These are used as they should be. Oh yeah, perfect in size, true to size, used as they should be. Very nice. And the damping is the old air bubble, nothing special. I'm really looking forward for Jordan Brand using Zoom sole in the shoe. It doesn't have to be anything visible, just put it in. Or with the soles that we have on the Kobe's and LeBron 11-12, I think, with the softer sole, that would be nice. Insole. So yeah, with outfit like this, white t-shirt, blue hoodie, dark blue jeans, these shoes are just perfect. So I'm gonna wear them out today. I really like them. Alright, I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe. I've noticed that even though I have almost 1100 subscribers, I only get like, yeah, very few views. So hit that bell button, that would be nice. And most of all, I really want to know what you think. Yeah, thanks for watching.